The bleeding continues until it stops, as the title of today's live stream indicates. Was a capitulation this morning. That's why I got the green hat on, but I could switch it to the red hat any moment because volatility has picked up. VIX got up to close to 28. And it's been tough. It's been a tough week. If you're holding especially some 3, 4, 5 beta stocks, your account got hammered. And some of them are still getting hammered, like Oracle today. And luckily, I got out with my skin. I had a call debit spread on it. I'll get back in again. I mean, it's called trading. That's why it's called trading. You got to be watching the positions. I'm stuck in a couple of positions, but I trimmed, reduced. Cash position is good. If we bottomed, I don't like buying things on Fridays. The 3 Ps rule: patience, position, and planning, especially position size. If you had the wrong position size, you got whacked pretty good. And I still see, a lot of folks, this is the dip, this is the buy, this is that. Nobody knows where things are going to stop. Technically, there's a lot of damage that was done this week. Again, technicals are technicals. Some of the stocks that didn't deserve, honestly, to be where they were fundamentally, I got whacked, and they're still getting whacked, actually, even with the market reversing. So got to be careful, folks. I mean, market gives it and market takes it away. And if you're not patient enough and don't wait for it to come to you, or if you position size incorrectly and if you don't have a plan, you're going to get whacked. And my member group got whacked. I got whacked. I mean, I got whacked with minimal positions with defined downside risk trades, honestly. But that's the markets, man. I'm doing fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. Drawdowns are part of the game. You just got to get used to it and then make sure you manage it correctly. As long as you keep enough dry powder for times like this, and always keep dry powder, and as long as you position size correctly, your drawdowns should be manageable. But unfortunately, not too many people have seen markets in this kind of condition. I have, going back to the 2000 dot-com bubble when I was on the desk trading, and all the way to 2008 GFC, and all the way to the pandemic, and then the last year's Japanese yen carry trade crisis. That was a pretty good whack. 2021 to 2023, when the interest rates were getting hiked, that was a pretty good whack. You just gotta, if you've seen the movie before, you just kind of expect when to not step in. More importantly, when to step in, when to not step in, right? Because when the selling comes in, there's tremendous amount of leverage in the system. So when the selling comes in, there's not much anybody really can do about it other than step away. It's a train coming at you, right? You're in a tunnel. You're looking at the end. You think it's the end of the tunnel. It's not. It's the train coming at you, and you will get crushed. So